This is the last run of this engine for me. Well, it's time to say goodbye to number 1057. It's been sold to a new railroad. So, we're going to deliver it for Christmas. And by the time you see this, it will be past Christmas. This locomotive is special to myself and the person whom it's going to, because I have ridden in a Fairbanks Moore switcher of this design, although it was painted in Milwaukee Road colors. And my uncle, whose railroad this is going to, has operated that same Fairbanks Morse locomotive. This engine, however, is a little bit upscale for me, although it is beautiful and well detailed and a very smooth operating engine. I tend to prefer to collect the all metal type locomotives that are die cast and make a little bit more noise, even if they don't run as smooth. So I will certainly be keeping my eyes out for another one of these that is all die cast, preferably a very early model. Now, let's take this to the new railroad. The transporter crane is on the way.
すぐね。